Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to part 3 of my handrail build. If you hadn't had an opportunity to look at parts 1 and parts 2, I will be providing a link in the description so you can go and visit those videos. So what are we going to do in part 3? Actually, I'm going to start putting them together now and start tacking them and getting them in a position to where I can start welding them. So please stick around and let's see what what lies ahead of me in this build. You know, every welding situation is going to be different, and every project is going to be different. So anyway, let's get started. The only thing I'm going to do today for this video is I'm just going to tack everything in place. That is the top piece of the railing system. So I'm going to start on that top side over there and work my way down, take all the measurements down from there. So I have about almost a 4-inch spacing here. I am going to be using 035 wire on my MIG welder. It's set at approximately around 16 and 17 volts, and the wire speed, I believe I have it at about 230 inches per minute, something like that, approximately, maybe more, maybe a little bit less. Basically, I'm just gonna tack this corner. I'll move over to the other side, then I'll work my way down. I'll tack these two just like I did here. Then I'll move over to the other side and I'll work my way down. Then we'll flip it over. And the distance from here to here is going to be 26 inches. So what I'll do is those pre-cut pieces I did a few days back, I'll just use that as a template. Tack weld here, flip it over, then we'll do the other side. And I believe this is weld on primer, but I'm not going to take any chances, so I'll remove it wherever it is that I'm going to be welding. And
What I'm doing is I'm starting my weld on the actual main part of the structure and then working my way up to that edge of the tubing. If I start on the tube, it's possible that I'll burn out that edge. My apologies if I am in your way.